Ashidelic monkey signs. What are you attracting for next 7 days? First, let's check your current energy. Currently, you are going through some transformation, a big or small transformation. This can be about your thinking patterns. There may have some change in your thinking pattern, or you are changing something about your looks, about your career, or in a relationship. This can be anything, but you are going through some big transformation right now. Is that resonating with you? Let me know in the comments. And the second card is the judgment. Okay, so judgment card is coming, so you are connecting with the higher power. This can be anyone, okay, the universe, the god, the three jewels, or this can be a deities or anyone. You're receiving some lessons, some blessings, or this can be a guidance from the higher power. Okay, so I think you are making a decision for next 7 days that you have to take that decision for so long. You were unable to do that because of some reason, or you were protecting your emotion, your surroundings. This can be anything, but finally you are coming out from that energy and you are taking the action which needed to take. And the death and rebirth card is coming for you, so this card indicates that you are going to complete something. This can be a bad cycle, karmic relationship. This can be about your career. Something is not going the way you want it. Finally, you are going to see the positive change in that path. Or this can be about your health. You are going to see the positive change in your health in these next 7 days. And I think you are dealing a lot, you're going through a lot in your mind. Okay, you are dealing with some big emotions. So finally, you have to come out from that kind of overthinking pattern or that baggage of emotions. You have to come out from that kind of situation, and you are going to come out in next 7 days. Okay, you are going to deal with that. You have to do some meditation, or you're taking time out for yourself, to the park, or to the spending some time with the nature, or you're going to do something and you are coming out from this kind of energy. Actually, you have to come out from this kind of energy, otherwise you are going to go in like depression. So you have to be protective about your mind and thinking patterns. Okay, some of you are going to receive lots and lots of financial freedom, and you are going to receive opportunity to upgrade your career. This can be a promotion in your career. Okay, your life's going to be very stable in the future, very stable. You're going to be a financial freedom, abundant, prosperity is going to be surrounded to you.